Hostwinds was founded in 2010 and is a US-based online hosting provider offering an all-in-one experience to customers. Hostwinds not only provides hosting service, but also includes access to the Weebly website builder, a free domain, and unlimited email account. For business owners who wish to excel in every venture they set their sights on, Hostwinds offers the best platform to get started. There are several packages to choose from, namely reseller hosting, WordPress, cloud, dedicated, and VPS virtual private server. Let's talk about some pros and cons of Hostwinds. High uptime guarantee offers stability for your website. Generous 60-day money-back guarantee. Customer support is available 24/7. Fairly priced. Intuitive site builder. Effective support service. Users benefit from the white label hosting. Now let's talk about the cons. Limited server locations. Hostwinds was the lack of server locations. Hostwinds offers cloud backups and monitoring, but you're going to have to pay extra for it. No managed WordPress hosting. Support site might intimidate beginners. Many hosts provide SSL certificates for free now. You need to buy them at an additional cost, and they aren't cheap. If you get a refund after buying with Skrill or Bitcoin, you'll be stuck with account credit. The money-back guarantees also only apply to specific plans and services. Now let's talk about the plans. Hostwinds has 3 shared web hosting plans, all of which are super affordable. It gets even cheaper when you sign up for commitment periods of 24 or 36 months. The basic plan is the first of the hosting plans offered through Hostwinds. It comes with unlimited disk space and bandwidth and only costs $3.29 per month with an annual commitment. Users on this plan are limited to just one domain. With the advanced plan, you get everything from the basic plan, but you can have up to 4 domains. The advanced plan costs $4.23 per month with an annual plan. The ultimate plan costs just $5.17 per month annually and comes with unlimited everything. That means unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited domains. Hostwinds allows you to pay for these hosting packages with a credit debit card, PayPal, or Bitcoin. Hostwinds may not always have the lowest headline prices, but its feature-packed plans are great value for what you get, performance is consistent, and the comprehensive web knowledge base and speedy live chat support are always on hand if you run into problems. Hostwinds offers fast, friendly service featuring a variety of hosting plans ranging from basic shared hosting to VPS and dedicated servers. Apart from all above benefits and hosting features, another major perk of using Hostwinds is an extended 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you can use their platform and services for a whole 2 months. If found unsatisfied, just ask for a refund. Where most of the hosts like SiteGround and Bluehost offer 30-day refund policy. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to get it from the link in the description below to get a discount. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more review videos like this. Thanks for watching.